Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS SNS for alerting and notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure AWS Simple Notification Service, or SNS, for alerting and notifications, we will walk through the steps together. First, log into your AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type SNS and select Simple Notification Service from the drop-down menu. Once on the SNS dashboard, click on Topics in the left-hand navigation pane. To create a new topic, click on the Create Topic button. Choose the type of topic you want to create. For most cases, select Standard. Enter a name for your topic in the Name field. Optionally, you can add a display name for SMS notifications. Scroll down and click on Create Topic to finalize the creation process. Now that your topic is created, note the ARN, or Amazon resource name, as you will need it later. Next, we will create a subscription to the topic. Click on Subscriptions in the left-hand navigation pane. Click on the Create Subscription button. In the Topic ARN field, select the topic you just created. For the protocol, choose how you want to receive notifications. Options include email, SMS, or HTTP/HTTPS. Enter the endpoint, which is the email address or phone number that will receive the notifications. Click Create Subscription to finalize this step. If you chose email, check your inbox for a confirmation message. You will need to confirm the subscription by clicking the link within that email. Next, ensure your SNS topic has the necessary permissions to send messages. Return to the SNS dashboard and select the topic you created. Scroll down to the Access Policies section and click on Edit. You can add permissions to allow specific AWS services to publish to your topic. For example, if you're using CloudWatch alarms for notifications, ensure they have permission. Once the permissions are set, save the changes. Now, let's set up an alarm using AWS CloudWatch that will trigger notifications. Navigate to the CloudWatch dashboard by searching for CloudWatch in the AWS Management Console. Click on Alarms in the left-hand navigation pane. Click the Create Alarm button to begin. Select a metric from one of the available namespaces relevant to your resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.